Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to review the instant look in the palette, the Sunset Dreamscape by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the look that I created with this palette. So if you're curious, let's get started. So the nicest thing about this palette is it has all ingredients to do your whole face in 5 minutes. That's the claim. It got 3 eyeshadow colors, 2 cheek colors, a bronzer and a highlighter. I'm starting with the eyes and I'm starting with color 3. That is the burgundy color. Okay, it's very pigmented. Hello. So, okay, don't get too much of this on your brush because you will have a problem blending, I think. This is a really nice color. I really love this. It's very blendable. Something I really love. The product is blendable. So I did all this with one dip. Then I'm going in with the second color, the eye and hands. It's a pinkish color with a shimmer in it. I really expected a lot because of the first color. That one is really pigmented. This one is nice, but it's a very soft shimmer. I don't mind that it's soft, but it isn't there where I want it to be, but it's nice. I have a little bit of fallout, but I powdered my face off, so that isn't that big of a deal because I can just wipe it away with a very soft motion. It was the second color. I'm a little bit disappointed, I think, because I expected more. It's not the pigmentation, it's more the shine that I expected more. Then we're going in with color 1. This is the brightening color, and this is doing what I expected from the second color, I mean. I have the Walk of No Shame eyeliner pencil, and it's that burgundy color. It really glides on so easy, and it is super pigmented and so soft for the eye. This is one where I need more colors of. I'm going to use the face bronzer. The face bronzer, a little bit light. Okay. It's lighter in the pen than it's on my face. I didn't expect this. Okay, surprise, surprise. It's also good pigmented, so be careful, because with the first load on this cheek I was a little bit like, okay, it's too light and I need more, but less is more in this case. The next thing that I want to try next time that I'm going to use this is to use it on a blank canvas, so when I don't wear foundation. For the bronzer, I'm really impressed, because I never expected this to happen, that much coverage. We got 2 colors of blush, and I'm going for the pink one for number 6 cheek pop. The other one is a brownish pink with a shimmer in it. The cheek pop is matte. So, ooh, okay, don't get fooled by the palette, because it is really pigmented. I just picked up a little bit, I thought, but wow. Yeah, do you see the pigment? Oh wow. I'm going in with that same brush in the highlighter. I'm really going to do that very carefully. It is a nice highlighter. It's a little bit of a nude highlight. Just put a little bit on the bridge of my nose, top lip. I'm just going to finish off my eyes and I'll be right back. I'm back with my eyes and already a base for my lip. I used for the lip the Pillow Talk, the original, and the original Pillow Talk lip pencil. For the eyes, I just put a black eyeliner on top, and on top of that Wispies from Ardell. And yeah, I really am loving this look. I bought also the Pillow Talk lip gloss, and I'm going to put that on top of the normal lipstick. Ooh, it's a very rich lip gloss. It's also a highly pigmented lip gloss. The color is just like the normal lipstick. There's not changing much, only that there is a little sheen. It is very, very rich on the lip. You can almost call this a full face of Charlotte Tilbury makeup. Yeah, I think we can call it that way. To close this look, I'm going to use the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. This is also one of my favorites. It gives a very fine mist. That's what I love about this setting spray. Dry before you die. This setting spray gives you that flawless satiny glow, and it stays all day. So your makeup is, yeah, secure, closed. That's it. It's secure and closed. So I really, really am loving this look. Do you? So this is the end of this review about the instant look in a palette, Sunset Dreamscape. I really like this color. It's highly pigmented, so be careful when you use it for the first time, because I overdone it a little bit. First time it was like, shock. Okay, the second color, I expected more. Yeah, I think I expected more metallic, so it was more popping, but it's very soft and satiny finish. And this one is the highlight color, so for the inner corner it is stunning, but I also dragged it a little bit on top of the second color because I just wanted a little bit more popping instead of satiny. So, but I really love the color of that. It's like a rosy gold or something. Yeah, rose gold. Those three together are stunning. I really love it. I'm going to use it more often, and I want to create more looks with this. So this one really surprised me. If I see it in the pen, I'm like, there's not a lot of pigmentation on it, but there is. It's not light. So you can see it's really nice and bronzy. It's a natural finish, I think. Don't overdo it when you are hitting the pen because you have to blend, babe. You have to blend, and I don't think we like to blend that much. I like to blend. It's my cardio or my hobby, but I don't like to blend that much. So be careful. For the blush, this one is stunning. It is highly pigmented, so be careful with this one as well, because you see there's a lot of payoff, and I don't know what this one is doing. Okay, see, this is the pink, this is more the nude pinkish brown, and that one has a little shimmer in it, so you can use it as a blush with a highlighter in one, but if it's up to me, I really am using the highlighter as well at the end, because say yourself, it's really stunning. It is a nude highlighter. It isn't in your face, it isn't beaming, but it's there. You can see it when the light hits your face at the right moment, at the right time. So no weird stripes or anything. Yeah. It's even on my nose, but I did it that carefully that you don't see it, I think. So this was it for this review. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my other videos. And for now, I leave you here and I hope to see you next time. Bye!